How to fix add payment method not showing on Roblox in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open Roblox, and then here you can see the option more. Now click on more, and then scroll down and click on settings. Now click on payment methods. Now here you can see you cannot add your payment method right now. Now go back to your home screen and open Safari. Now search here Roblox. Now open your Roblox official website. Now click on continue in browser. Now on top right corner you can see the setting icon. Now click on it. And then click on settings. Now click on account info, and then click on payment methods. Now here you can see the option add. Now click on add. Now here you can add your payment method like credit or debit card. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.